Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will teach you how to build the simplest electric circuit. No soldering is required, we only use a breadboard and a few basic components. The components include a breadboard, a battery, connecting wires, a resistor, and an LED, light emitting diode. Many engineering students can solve complex circuit equations, but when it comes to building a simple circuit physically, some people are not sure where to start. On this channel, we will learn electric circuits in a practical way, starting from the very basics all the way to advanced circuit design. Let's take a quick look at the components we will use. First, we have a breadboard. A breadboard allows us to build circuits easily without soldering, like without the use of soldering iron or soldering. Next, we have a battery, we have connecting wires, then we have a resistor, and we have light emitting diode, LED. Now, before building the circuit, there is one important thing to know about LED. An LED must be connected in the correct direction because it has polarity. Now, when you purchase a new LED, now if you check, the longer leg is always the anode, which is always connected to the positive side of the circuit, and the shorter one is the cathode, which is connected to the negative side of the circuit. Another way you can use to know the polarity of an LED is when you check inside an LED bulb like this. The surface, like the crystal points with the larger surface area, is the cathode, which is the negative terminal, while the smaller one is the anode, which is the positive terminal. Now, I believe majority of us know why we use a resistor. We use the resistor to limit the amount of current flowing through the bulb so that the too much current can damage the LED. Now, we all have heard of Ohm's law, the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. But we will study that in the later video that I will post. For now, just remember that the resistor protects the LED. Now, let's build the circuit using the breadboard. We first connect the positive end of the battery to one end of the resistor like this. Now, I'll pick this resistor and I'll connect it. Now, you can see positive to one leg of the resistor, then to this place. Then, now you connect the other end of the resistor to the long leg of the LED, which is the anode, like this. Then we have to connect the other leg of the LED to the cathode, which is the negative end of the battery. Now you can see that the LED light up. We have created a complete path for currents to flow from battery to resistor to LED. You can see this is the simplest circuit. When the path for current is complete like this, we call it a closed circuit. But if we disconnect one wire, the path becomes broken. Now, if I just disconnect this wire like this, you see the path becomes broken. This is what we call open circuit. And if I connect this back, then the path becomes, and this is called closed circuit. Now, I'm using a 9 volt battery and a 1000 ohms resistor and an LED bulb that needs 2.4 volts to power on. So to build this simple circuit. Now in this video, we built the simplest electric circuit and learned several important details, which are the basic components of a circuit, how to connect an LED, why a resistor is needed, and the difference between an open circuit and closed circuit. In the next video, we will look more closely at how this breadboard actually work, and I'll teach you how to build circuit on them properly. So just stay tuned to this channel because I'm going to post more and more video in the future. We are going to know how to design and analyze electric circuits properly. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video, please.